In this video I will show you step by step how you can build a completely free website on GoDaddy for beginners. So what you want to do is you want to head over to GoDaddy.com and then create or log into an existing account. Once you have done this, you can then go to the top left hand corner, scroll over to websites and hosting, click on the drop down menu, and here is where you want to select website builder. Now you've got different options here. You've got online store, web design services, link in bio, web hosting, etc. But in today's video we will use this. Now what you want to do is you want to select start for free. And then from here you want to now click on start a new site. So once we click on start a new site, you want to select one of these. So what you want to do is go ahead and I will click on sell with an online store. You can click on something else or click book appointments online. Choose the kind of website that you want to build, click on continue. And then now what you want to do is you want to choose your category. Now I will just go ahead and select a life coach, for example, click on continue. Again, what you want to do is you want to enter in a name. So I will put in how to online, like my YouTube channel, click on continue. And then from here, you want to go ahead and put in a phone number and an email. If your business has a physical address, toggle this on right here, and you can now enter in the address. Now, once you've done this, select continue. And on this page, you will give a little bit of a description about your business, and then you can go ahead and then click on continue. As you can see, it will give you and it will create you a very good starter website for your business. And if we go ahead and select continue for free, as you will notice now, you can go through and you can make changes to this if it's not up to your standard. But if we go ahead and just take a look at this, which has been created by GoDaddy itself, it looks quite good, it looks quite professional. And as you can see, a beginner would be happy with a website like this to start off their business. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can make a totally free website on GoDaddy. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.